Alright guys, so I came across this free virtual number site that is allowing people create accounts and also receive SMS for verification and all like that. So you can see right here on my screen, here is a particular free virtual number site where you can get free virtual numbers that can be used for creating Facebook account, TikTok and so many others. So right here you see that people are creating TikTok's account and people are also receiving SMS. So if you're interested in virtual numbers and also trying to use them to create maybe a Facebook account, a WhatsApp account, Telegram account, Instagram, LinkedIn. All right, today I'm going to practice it. I'm going to be using this particular virtual number site to create a brand new Facebook account. So the whole aim is to test out this particular free virtual number site to see if it is working. So if you're a marketer or maybe you're somebody who just needs a virtual number for some marketing purposes, then this video is for you. So I want you to watch through and see if we can use this particular free virtual number site in creating an account on Facebook and also receiving our OTPs. So let's get started. So the first thing I have to do right now is to come over to Facebook, and right here on Facebook I'm going to click on create a brand new account. So I'm going to go ahead and input in my name. I'm also going to be inputting my last name and other informations that I need to add. And right now when it gets to this place where it says a mobile number or email address, I'm going to head over to the website where I got my free virtual number from. So I'm going to copy this particular one that is available, and I'm going to come back right here on Facebook and I'm going to input the number. And now I'm going to also go ahead and input in my password, and once I'm done I'm going to click on sign up. So this free virtual number site is giving virtual numbers that can be used for account creation and so many other purposes. So if you like this video, please smash the like button, and if you'd like to see more content like this, I want you to subscribe, and also don't forget to join my Telegram channel where you can ask me for my help directly and I'll do well to answer you. So right now guys, you can see we've been able to get our code directly sent to our virtual number. So I'm going to head over to the site and I'm going to click right here and I'm going to copy the number. So I'm going to copy the code provided by Facebook. Right, so once I've been able to get my code, I'm going to input my code right here and I'm going to click on continue guys. Alright guys, so you can see it says you have successfully confirmed your account with the phone number, and right here guys you can see our numbers basically is the one we got from our virtual number site. So you can see this method or this website is actually working, and I'm going to click on OK. Alright guys, so you can see that we are able, or we've been able to create a brand new Facebook account using this virtual number available on the virtual site that I want to share with you now. So right now guys, let me quickly show you something. If I come over to Facebook, you can see now there's a brand new Facebook already created for us, and now you can see my name and so many other informations right here. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like to get access to this particular website that gives you free virtual numbers, I'm going to be leaving the link in my Telegram channel. So make sure to join so you can have access to this website, and you can always use this to create account and you can always use the site to create account for yourself, virtual number to create accounts for yourself, OTP verification, SMS and other purposes that you'll be needing a virtual number for. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, don't forget to join my Telegram channel to ask me your questions, and also to get access to this new virtual number site that is giving free virtual numbers to everyone every single day. I'll see you in my next one. Subscribe so you can see my next video, and take care of yourself, and bye.